Look at that! It is a giant golden frame! Dubai frame is 150 meters tall! So tall! It is so big! I cannot see the top from here! One ticket, please. I want to see old Dubai and new Dubai.
Of course, that will be 50 dirhams.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your visit.
Going up! Look how high we are! The cars are tiny! On this side, old Dubai. On this side, Old Dubai is so different. Small buildings. New Dubai is huge. So many tall buildings everywhere. The floor is glass. I can see the ground. Very scary. One photo with the Burj Khalifa behind me? Perfect! Look, Dubai was just a small village. Only 70 years ago. This is Dubai in the future. Flying cars. Wow. Going back down. What a beautiful view from the top. Goodbye, Dubai frame. Now to the Museum of the Future. Taxi, please. Take me to the Museum of the Future. What is that? It looks like a building from outer space. It has no corners, no straight walls. How is it standing? Those are Arabic words about the future. So beautiful. One ticket to the future, please. I am ready. Here you are. Enjoy the exhibit. Wow, thank you. This elevator is like a spaceship. I am going to space. I feel like a real astronaut. Look, Earth from space. Hello, robot. You speak English? Amazing. All animal and plant DNA. Saved for the future. Incredible. A real flying car. Will I drive this in the future? Even the children learn about the future. So smart. From inside the future, I see the Dubai of today. A small museum model. I will keep this forever. The Arabic words say beautiful things about hope, about tomorrow. Best selfie ever! Me in the Museum of the Future!
Lunch with a view. Shawarma is delicious. Now, Ain Dubai.
Oh my goodness! That wheel is huge! 250 meters tall! Bigger than London Eye! From here, I cannot even see the top. So tall! Ticket, please! I want to see all of Dubai from up there. Of course! Here's your ticket. Enjoy the incredible views. You're welcome. Next, please. Look at the capsules. They are like glass bubbles. Whoa, glass everywhere. I can see in every direction. We are going up. Slowly, slowly. Look at the buildings. Look, Palm Jumeirah. It looks like a real palm tree. I can see the whole city. Burj Khalifa is over there. Recording the whole city. My friends will not believe this. Coming down now. The biggest Ferris wheel in the world. That was incredible. The view will be in my memory forever. Ice cream and a view. That was amazing. Time to rest. I have 2 more wonders to see today. Now to Dubai Mall. I want to see the underwater zoo. The biggest mall in the world. Right there. So many shops, I cannot count them. Hundreds and hundreds. Oh man. Sharks! Real sharks! Right in front of me! The shark has so many teeth. It is looking at me. I am inside the water. Sharks above my head. Look at the rays. They fly like under birds. A turtle. He is so peacefully above me. Best photo of my life. Sharks in my photo. Now to the underwater zoo. Many more animals to meet. Penguins in Dubai, and it is hot outside. How? Otters! They hold hands when they sleep. So cute. King Croc is huge, 6 meters long, scary but amazing. The jellyfish glow like underwater stars. I see Nemo. Look under the water. So many photos. Sharks, penguins, jellyfish. Magical. Wait, is that snow? Inside that dome? In Dubai? Real snow inside the mall! I cannot believe my eyes! Real skiers, real snow. It is 45 degrees outside. Free winter clothes. I need everything to be warm. You're all set for the slope. 10 minutes ago, summer clothes. Now, Eskimo. Funny. Wow! Cold like it seems like burr! An indoor mountain! I am dreaming! Real cold snow! It is real! Not fake. I cannot believe it. Going up the mountain, inside a building. Crazy. First time skiing. Help me, I'm scared.
You're doing great, Sophia. Just breathe.
Okay, but it's really steep.
Trust the skis.
Ready when you are. I am skiing. I'm really skiing in Dubai. I fell. It is okay. Snow is soft. Hello, little penguin. You live here too. Hot chocolate after skiing. Perfect end to the day.
One day, 5 wonders. Dubai, you are unbelievable.